What's up guys, I'm Kristine and I'm back again with another video, and this time I will be having my graduation makeup look. So let's put first my primer to cover the skin imperfections. I have visible pores there, so many visible pores because I had lots of pimples when I was younger, so there, that's the scars. And also I really have big pores because I have oily skin. There. Next would be foundation. I keep using this Maybelline matte poreless because it's matte and it controls the oil on my skin. It's good. It lasted for 8 hours actually. When I go to work I would use this and it really lasted. So I keep using this. So I'm going to do my eye makeup next because I'm thinking that there would be fallouts. So if there are fallouts, then that's the time I would conceal. I think there will be really fallouts because I will be using this LOL palette eyeshadow, this one. But I use this BWS blusher for my what they call this one here, transition color. This one I use this. It's good for transition there. I put on dark shade on this part. There, I created a wing. Okay, right now I'm blending it. I'm trying to cut a crease, but I'm not good, so there. I'm happy with it. Just keep practicing. Maybe someday I really can cut crease. Okay, fallouts are here. Fallouts are here. So I need to wipe it. I think it's time to use the concealer now. Okay, I will just use the concealer now because I really have fallout. So concealer is really very important in makeup, especially if you have under eye circles here, and also dark on this part. Very important. And this is doing great, the Maybelline concealer. Okay, now it's time to bake. Bake with the Johnson's baby powder. And now for my eyebrows, I will be using this very favorite BYS Brow Definition Kit. Oh, my all-time favorite. It really shapes my brows. There, I just trim my brows. Now I'm done baking. Okay. There are still a little fallouts in this part. There. Now it's curling time. Let's contour. Now for the blush, I'm using this BYS blusher, and the shade is Perfectly Peach. This one. Nice. There. There, I'm done with the blush. There. Blush and contour. Let me add some more. Now for the lips, I choose the nude shade because we don't need a very glam look for graduation. We don't need that. I think we don't need that. We'll just glam on prom nights. There, I'm done with my lipstick. There, and that's my entire look for graduation. I'm not going to graduate. It's just a graduation makeup tutorial. So to all the graduates out there, or those who are graduating, and congratulations, and to the parents and guardians too, congratulations to all of you, and more power. And that's it, guys. That's my makeup for today, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.